Brackets. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to apply the principle of BODMAS to calculations, and then you should be able to know how to open brackets. That means bracket is going to be our final topic for sign multiplication. Before then, we are going to discuss the concept of BODMAS. BODMAS. B stands for bracket. O stands for off or power off. Sorry. D stands for division. M is multiplication. A is addition. S subtraction. But what does this mean? BODMAS is simply the order of execution of solutions to mathematical problems involving multiple operations. For example, multiple operation in this sense is when you have a problem that involves an addition, a subtraction, a multiplication, and or perhaps a division operation, all jumbled together. This will kind of look complex. It's a kind of thing that students of mathematics don't want to see. A plus, a sign, a minus, a division jumbled together, different complex parts connected together. So far we only deal with single operations, something like this. Say 12, or let me use minus 2 plus 5, for example. These are the kind of example we had been dealing with. Or something like minus 12 multiplied by 3. Or minus 8 divided by 4. But what if you have something like this? Open bracket 2 plus 5 minus 2 times 3. As you can see here, we have an addition operation, a subtraction, and a multiplication operation, all in one. This is where BODMAS comes in. The order of operation entails that you solve the bracket first. Yeah, from the list here, from the arrangement here, we can see that B comes first, bracket. That means we are going to solve the bracket first. So we are going to solve minus 2 plus 5 first. We can use it. This is what we are going to solve now. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 gives a 7. Gives you 7. Ooh. Okay, let me do this again. Oops. Okay, so it's going to be 2 plus 5 minus 2 times 3. So going by BODMAS, which is the B BODMAS. We solve the bracket first. 2 plus 5 gives 7. This one could be 7 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Once you finish solving the bracket, it has to disappear. So instead of the bracket, we now have 7. Next in the order of operation is O, which is off, or simply power off. We don't have that here, so we have to skip that one. We're going to skip the O and go to the D, division. But the division operation is not there too, so we skip it as well. Next is multiplication, the M. We have a multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6. So this is going to be 7 minus 6. Then instead of 2 times 3, we now have a 6. 7 minus 6. Our final answer will be 1. So that's how we solve complex operations using BODMAS. By following the principle of BODMAS, we have to go in order as it is arranged. At the end we get 1. Now you might decide to solve it your own way. You might decide to solve it your own way. You certainly get a different result, which might be wrong. Okay, let's do it and see. Suppose let's say at this stage, you decided to subtract before multiplication. So if that's the case, you say 7 minus 2. Multiplied by 3. So maybe you're going to say 7 minus 2 is 5. Then 5 multiplied by 3 gives you 15. You see, you have a different answer from the method of BODMAS. And this is wrong, because this has not been done according to the principle of BODMAS. 15 and 1 are two different results. The correct answer should be 1. Okay, that's it. I'll continue in the next video.